faced various kind of plans, and the aim was to keep these two great friendly countries away and create distance. But all those plans were absolutely defeated by our united thought of action and clear understanding that this friendship will last forever no matter what. So I believe we are on course. We are absolutely steadfast in our direction. And today, I would like to bring for your kind consideration certain important historical facts. And those are, Pakistan-China ties are as old as the Silk Road, when traders and monks carried not only goods, but ideas across mountains and deserts. They are as profound as Gandhara, where Buddhist art and learning traveled from Texla to Shanghai and to Beijing. They are as connected as the origin of Indus and Yangtze River from the Tibetan plateau. And here are some soul-searching facts, facts which can't be denied under no circumstances, that Pakistan was the first Muslim country to recognize the People's Republic of China. And about 60 years ago, the first international flight to Beijing took off from Karachi, that is PIA, Pakistan International Airlines. And this fact will be remembered for all time to come. And then the Karakoram Highway, carved through rock and ice, became one of China's earliest and boldest infrastructure projects with a foreign partner.